I started new batch from today.
Okay.
If your friends are there, refer us. Who are really sincere. Who are really sincere. Who are interested, refer us. So we done till here. We completed till here as of now. Okay, and today we'll discuss the order management side. We'll discuss this. I'm switching to order management. From the order management, I'm navigating to orders. Navigating to orders. And the next setup is order management parameters. I'm navigating to here. Order management parameters. Here, there is something called item validation ordination. Item valid ordination. Here we have to link our master ordination with the order management application, because we are creating items in the master ordination. That items has to flow to the order management module. So we need to link. We need to link the master ordination here. This is called as an item validation ordination. So this setup is also available in EBS. So linking the master ordination with the order management application. Okay. From the order management parameters, selecting the business unit, and against your business unit, I'm selecting the master ordination. Okay, this is one thing. And after that, preparer for procurement. This we'll discuss later. Let's discuss that later, maybe. So this is about credit check functionality. Credit check. Nothing but for every sales order, you want to verify the customer credit limit or not. If you want to verify, you have to select yes here. You have to select yes here. See, activate credit check on order submission. Activate credit check on order submission. If you select yes for every sales order, after submitting the sales order, application is going to verify whether the customer is having the available credit limit or not. If you select no, application won't verify. Application won't verify. Suppose if you selected yes, and that customer is not having the credit limit, he's not having, he already used it, he already consumed it, then what you want to do with that sales order? What you want to do with that sales order? You want to keep that sales order on hold? You want to keep that sales order on hold, or you want to keep the sales order on hold? See here, submit the sales order and keep the sales order on hold. Suppose if I select a draft, just keep the sales order in the draft status only. Even though if you submit, the sales order won't be submitted. It's going to show in the draft status with credit check failure warning. It will show warning saying that your credit check is failed. You don't have a credit limit. It will show the warning, but it won't submit the order. It will be on the draft status only. But if you choose the second option, it's going to submit the order and it will show you the credit check failure also. Clear? There are two parameters for the credit check functionality. Clear?
Yes.
And then approvals.
How much amount we should
later I'll show you, madam. Later I'll show you. Okay. For every customer, we can have a different credit limit that I'll show you later. And the next approvals. What about sales order approvals? Start approvals. Okay. Right now it is selected no here. Right now it is selected no here. You can also select yes. Approvals. Our sales orders we can directly create in Fusion application, or we can also import. We can also import our orders from some other third-party system. Suppose example, if you're importing the orders from EBS, Oracle EBS, then you want approval or no. So based on the source system also, based on from where the order is coming, accordingly, we can also configure the approvals. So if your orders are coming from, suppose you are using Salesforce also. Suppose you are using Salesforce. From the Salesforce, whatever the order that is coming into here, you want approvals or no? So based on the source system, we can enable approvals. Okay. So, okay, we are enabling approvals. Where we configure the approvals? Where we configure the approvals, that we do it in a separate screen. So from the order management parameters, we are controlling here three things. One is item validation ordination, and another one is credit check functionality, and third one is sales order approval functionality. Whether you want to use the sales order approvals for the orders or not. Three functionalities we are controlling from here, from the order management parameters. Okay. Now I'll show you where to configure the approvals. Sales order approvals I'll show you. I'm closing the screen. From the same task list, there is another screen called Manage Order Approvals. Here, Manage Order Approvals. A lot of rules has been created here. Already you are familiar with this screen, right? With this screen you are familiar. So already in this type of screen, we did one configuration. What is that?
Job set.
Job set.
To confirm job set rules. Okay. It's a similar UI only. But here you will see a lot of conditions. In that only 10 conditions only we have seen. But here a lot of conditions you can see here. On the order header level, 27 conditions are there. 27 attributes are there. And the task level, 33 attributes are there. Okay, suppose if you want to write conditions based on the order level, order header level attributes, so click on that. Click on that. Suppose you want to write condition based on the business unit. Based on the business unit. So select the BU. So if the business unit is equal to our BU, if the business unit is equal to our BU, this BU, and I would like to write one more condition also. Order total amount. And again, order total amount, there are sub conditions also there, like I would like to write the condition on the order total amount including the tax and everything, the final amount. I would like to write on this. If the order total amount, I'm dragging here. If the order total amount is greater than 50,000. So here two conditions I have added, and AND operator. AND operator is nothing but both should satisfy. It's not an OR operator. If your order is from so and so BU, and if your order amount is greater than 50,000, then click on do. Then click on do. In the do box, click on this circle and perform an action. Select perform an action. So here select you want to automatically approve that sales order, or you want to take approval from somebody. So assign to individual, and you want to take the approval from a specific guy, and enter that person name here. Okay. So here in this box, we are writing the conditions, and we are in this box nothing but action. Okay. So here we selected approval from only one person. So we have added, and you can also call supervisor hierarchy. You can also call supervisor hierarchy here. See how many levels of approvals you want. You want a 2-level approval or 3-level approval? This is supervisor hierarchy. You can also call position hierarchy also, and job level hierarchy, and approval group is also there. Assigning to group. Assigning to group. You can create an approval group. In the procurement, we discussed how to create an approval group. Correct? Approval group is nothing but group of approvers. Okay. And you don't want approval required. You want to just send a FI notification, just FI notification. You can select this. In this case, you are just sending FI notification to that people. That's it. You're not expecting their approval. Clear?
Yep.
Okay. Let us explore the other conditions, whatever we have. Let us discuss them one by one. Okay. If possible, I will try to increase the browser size to show you the conditions that are available here. So see here, this particular place I used to drag and drop from the bottom to top. Okay. Order header level. Okay. We have the business unit. Okay. And we have customer based on the customer also. And based on the order type. And based on the payment term. Okay. I told you, right? Based on the salesperson also, we can route for the approval. Okay. So salespersons maybe you can route to this salesperson manager approval, or maybe this salesperson department manager approval. Okay. Based on the salesperson. Okay. Those are the important conditions. Line level 50 attributes are there. Let's expand line level. I'm going to explain you the important conditions at the line level. Based on the item type, based on the line type, like order type, you can also create a line type, right? Based on the line type. Based on the ordered quantity, based on the category, line category. In case of written sales orders, you enter the written reason. In case of written sales orders, you'll enter the written reason why the customer has returned the damaged product to you. Okay, so in that case, also based on the written reason, we can set for the approval. If you want to load more, as of now, few only loaded. I would like to load the remaining attributes also. Click on the load button based on the shipment priority. If it is a high priority sales order, we definitely need to take the approval, because you have to high priority sales order, you have to fulfill immediately, right? To fulfill that sales order immediately, you want to take the approval. Or here in this case, you can take the approval from the warehouse manager. It's a good idea, right? It's a good idea to take the approval from the warehouse manager, because the shipment priority is high, because it has to be shipped immediately. For some reason, this is an urgent sales order. For the urgent sales order, you take the approval from the store manager or warehouse manager, because he's the person who has to fulfill that order immediately. So take the approval and then later give the confirmation to the customer. Okay. Based on the warehouse, nothing but based on the inventory ordination. Okay, good. Good with the kind of attributes that we are having. Good.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, like this, you may end up in configuring different rules according to the client requirement. Okay. Just the next steps. Enter the name of the rule and you save it. Okay, and where is the rule that we have created? Here. So activate the rule, and if you want to set the priority, you can set the priority. So this is we discussed in the last class. The priority is available here also, like highest, higher, and lowest priority, and set that, and then activate the rule. And I want this rule to be effective from February 10th onwards. Select the date, February 10th onwards, and click on save and close. And click on publish. Sir, I would like to delete the rules. I created the rules, but I would like to delete them. Sir, how? Just simply select that rule and then drag it to that delete symbol, that dustbin symbol. All the inactivated rules, I'm deleting. Okay, good.
Yes.
Activated rule also you can delete.
Yeah.
But this is how you can delete easily. And you can filter by active rules and you can filter by inactive rules. If you select active rules, all the active rules got defaulted. If you select inactive rules, all these are the inactive rules. If you want, you can delete them. But when you're testing this, there could be a clash with the other rules. because there are a lot of other rules has been created. Maybe there could be a clash with your rules and other rules. So after deleting them and then click on publish. So when you're practicing, I would recommend you to delete all the rules, because maybe there is a clash, confliction between your rules with the other rules. Delete them and then create your own rule and test it. Okay. Order approval is good. There's a new feature in Fusion. It's not available in EBS. If you're good, then I'll proceed with the next module.
Yeah, fine now.
Pricing. Pricing. Okay, very, very important module. Pricing is very, very important module. And there are very, very less consultants who has knowledge into this pricing area in Fusion. So these are the different types of pricing scenarios you face from the projects, so you face from the clients. The first scenario is price is same for all customers. For all customers, price is same. And the price is different from the customer type. If the customer is our company employee, or if the customer is a distributor, or a final customer, end customer, or a special customer in the sense that customer has taken an agreement with us. An agreement, he's special to us. Some membership he has. Because of that membership, we are considering that customer as a special customer. For special customers, special pricing. This could be another scenario. And another scenario is the price can be different from country to country. In India, let's take Apple phone price is 80,000, but in US, the same product price is maybe 70,000 or 60,000. Because they are making iPhone making there, so maybe price is less over there. From country to country, the price is also different. This is also one more scenario. And it's based on the order type. Based on the order type also, you would like to derive the price. So in case of EBS, we use the order type based pricing mostly for all the customers, all the clients. We use this functionality in case of EBS. And this is customer specific price list, which means customer to customer price is different. For customer A, price is $100. For customer B, price is $95. For customer C, price is $105. For customer D, price is $140. But this is rare case, right? This is a rare case. Customer specific price list. And next situation is based on the customer size. If the customer is large customer and a really big customer, and that customer is very important to our company, because we are getting a lot of orders and a lot of revenue from that customer. So we give better price to that customer. Large customers, we give better price, less price. Medium customers and small customers. Sir, how you can identify whether the customer is a large customer or medium customer? In the application, how we can differentiate? In the application, how we can differentiate? After the customer got created, there is something called a customer classification setup. In that customer classification setup, you have to differentiate that customer, whether the customer is a large customer or medium customer, or whether the customer is a distributor or end customer or special customer. So in that screen, we're going to differentiate whether what type of customer is that. That I'll show you in the configurations. Pricing configurations, I'll show you. Okay, apart from that, are you thinking of any other scenario and which is faced in your projects? You can come up with that scenario. We'll discuss that also.
Like buy one, get one free, kind of.
That's actually we can handle